Did you know that Mark Cuban lost a jaw-dropping $82,000 in just 1 hour? Can you guess what kind of investment decision led to such a shocking loss? Stick around and let's dive into this unbelievable story. Alright folks, let's talk about Mark Cuban. If you don't know, he is a billionaire investor, entrepreneur, and the owner of the Dallas Mavericks. He's got a reputation for making bold moves in the business world. But today, we are focusing on a surprising investment decision that cost him a whopping $82,000 in just 60 minutes. It is a wild ride, so let's get into the details. So here's what went down. Mark Cuban made a pretty risky investment in a tech startup that was generating a lot of buzz. The company was developing a new app that promised to revolutionize personal finance management. Cuban saw the potential and decided to dive in. But here's the kicker. The app was still in its beta phase and there were whispers about some serious technical issues. Many experts warned that investing at this stage was a gamble, but Cuban, being the risk taker he is, thought he could ride the wave of excitement. Little did he know, this decision would lead to a rapid and shocking financial downfall. Now let's unpack the context a bit. The tech market was buzzing and everyone was trying to get their piece of the pie. Cuban had a history of successful investments in tech, so his instincts were telling him to go for it. But as the days went by, more and more problems started to surface with the app. Users reported glitches and the company struggled to fix them. Experts weighed in, suggesting that investing in a company that relies heavily on a product that isn't fully functional might not be the best idea. Cuban, however, maintained his confidence. He believed that once the issues were resolved, the app would take off. But the market had other plans. And then came the moment of truth. Just 1 hour after Cuban finalized his investment, the app crashed during a major launch event. It was a disaster. Users were logged out and the negative reviews started pouring in. The buzz turned into a frenzy of criticism. In real time, the company's stock plummeted and Cuban watched in disbelief as his $82,000 evaporated right before his eyes. It was a brutal reminder of how quickly things can change in the investment world. One moment you are riding high on potential and the next you are facing a major setback. So what can we take away from this crazy story? Mark Cuban's experience serves as a powerful lesson about the unpredictability of investments. Even seasoned investors can face unexpected challenges, and sometimes even the biggest names can make risky decisions that don't pay off. It is a reminder to always do thorough research and be cautious when diving into high-risk opportunities. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about Cuban's investment decision? Would you have taken the risk? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.